I am gonna be so late. Oh gosh, I'm coming. What should I say this time? Stuck behind a llama parade, be there in 5. Okay, now I just need to find my Ruby Tart lipstick. I know I put it in here. Oh, where is it? Must have left it in the bathroom. All right, Ruby Tart, are you in? Oh, yeah, that is a lot messier than I remember leaving it. Definitely need to find a way to organize this makeup tomorrow. Luckily, I know exactly what to do. I just need a 12 by 12 inch picture frame, a 12 by 12 piece of sheet metal, magnets, and a hot glue gun. First, I'm taking the picture frame out of its packaging, then removing the back and all paper inserts. Once that's done, I'm placing the piece of sheet metal directly into the frame and securing it in. It's that easy. Once the frame is complete, it's time to add the magnets to the makeup. I'm adding some hot glue to the back of my first makeup item, and then adding the magnet on top. The size of the magnet will depend on the size of the item, and some items may require more than one magnet, so use your board to test it out until you have the proper hold. Now that I've added magnets to all my favorite makeup items, it's time to start organizing them on the board. And now that I've got them in the perfect positions, it's time to place it in its spot on the counter. Now all my faves, including that Ruby Tart lipstick, are in one neat place and my countertop is clutter-free. If you enjoyed this tutorial, there's a lot more where that came from. Just head on over to ehow.com and make sure you hit subscribe before you go. See you guys in the next video.